Welcome to the unboxing of the Nokia 8. There has been so much hype about this being a real worthy competitor to today's smartphones. And we are really excited to take a look, up close and personal. So let's open it up. First look at the Nokia 8 is big. Big. It is definitely sleek and all metal, but it just doesn't feel solid. The last Nokia device I used was way before they became touchscreen, so compared to those, this is a real treat. Wait! Did you see that? I just picked it up and put it down, and boom, it's on. Not such a good thing. Getting back to the unboxing, you get the warranty card, the SIM pin, phone info, earbuds with the standard 3.5mm jack, and a separate box for the power plug and charger with a USB-C jack. Here's what I don't like as soon as I hold the phone. It feels big and almost a little delicate, and that's a deadly combination. I am really clumsy when it comes to phones, and this is a little too smooth for my taste. So there is a need for a screen protector and cover, which can really kill the look of the phone. I also didn't like the positioning of the power button, being right under the volume control. I know this is just a preference issue, but still, it is uncomfortable. Let's get back to the phone and UI itself. After having used the Samsung and iPhone, it would take a little getting used to navigate through this phone. The tactile vibrations help because while you can adjust the sensitivity, right now, there is hardly any pressure being put on the screen to make anything active. I think it is good value for money for what the phone wanted to achieve. It is NFC enabled for fast pairing and file transfers. Since I'm not a big fan of selfies, the rear camera interests me a lot more. The rear cameras create a crisp depth of field with the bokeh effect, and a feature that we definitely find interesting here at the New Spaces is the Bokeh mode. This helps you take unique photographs from both the front and the back and stitch them together. This is something we will definitely test in a later video. The capability to shoot 4K video at 30 FPS, 1080p video at 30 frames per second. From recording videos at the New Spaces, this is a feature we really enjoyed and will demonstrate in a later video. The Nokia 8 is sleek and it looks great, but I personally would not recommend it without a screen guard and a protective cover. It's a big phone, but feels very fragile. I absolutely hated how much it slips and slides on all surfaces. It is a fingerprint magnet, which for me is a real pet peeve when it comes to all devices, because you spend so much money on devices, you want them to look cool all the time. I love the camera and the audio. Overall, if you are looking for a cool looking phone and don't have a brand preference and are careful with your devices, the Nokia 8 could be for you. Share your feedback and thoughts about the Nokia 8 in the comments below. Be sure and like, subscribe, and follow the New Spaces online. Wait, what is this? Look out, world! Is there a monster loose on the streets out there? This is Rabia Gharib signing off.